Hi guys, today I will have for you Philly cheese steak sandwich. Come and join me. We need beef, you see our thin slices, green pepper, sliced onion, soy sauce, black pepper, and cheddar cheese and emmental cheese. In our hot pan, our onion and green pepper. A little more oil and a little soy sauce and black pepper. This is the way I do my sandwich, guys. I put cheese on bottom and put cheese on the top when I put it in the oven. Now we will going to fill it with our meat. Now guys, I will put this in the oven and with top with the emmental cheese. This is our Philly cheese steak sandwich, guys.